Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get the latest update of my channel. So this is my third tie-dye project, and today I think I'm going to make a galaxy. I don't know what is that, but I'll try to make it like a galaxy tie-dye thing. And I'm doing two shirts for that, and I called it like a daytime galaxy and a nighttime galaxy. So what I'm going to use for those tie-dye project is on daytime galaxy. I think I'm going to use the medium yellow, orange, brilliant red, and the navy blue tie-dye for the outer part of the galaxy. And on the nighttime galaxy tie-dye shirt, I'm going to use the color black, purple, and blue. Alright, without further ado, let's start making our tie-dye t-shirt project. So this time I'm going to use my surgical gloves because the last one I used from my previous video, I don't like it. So this one, I think it will work for me. So let's start our galaxy tie-dye shirt project. So let's reverse this shirt. So anyway, my shirt is already washed. So I think I'm gonna start here on the chest. I'm gonna twist it. This is it. I have to put rubber band on here, and then I'm going to crumple here. So right now our main focus is the one with the twist here. So this would be our galaxy side, and what I'm going to use this time is the navy blue, violet, and black. So I'm going to put purple on this twist. Add some navy blue. And on the other side of the shirt, I'm going to put black. With a match of blue. So here is our galaxy. So guys, I have my I have here my Galaxy tie-dye t-shirt project. I don't know what will be the outcome of this one, so we'll see tomorrow after 24 hours. We're gonna find out what it looks like. So here it is. I'm done with this Galaxy tie-dye shirt. I'm going to put it on a Ziploc and we'll see what's the outcome tomorrow. So here it is. So if I made the other one like a dark Galaxy, this time I'm going to make a lighter one. So we'll see. So this time I'm going to create a Galaxy on this side. Yeah, and then I'm going to crumple here all the outside part of this Galaxy. So right here, this is our portion of the Galaxy. What I'm going to use is orange, brilliant red, and medium yellow. And then the outer part I'm going to use is a navy blue. So I don't know what I'm doing here, but we'll see. Outer side, I'm going to use navy blue. I think I'm going to put some web here. This is blue. Yeah. And here. Okay. So this is my light color Galaxy tie-dye shirt. I have no idea what it looks like, so we'll find out tomorrow. And I'm going to put it in a Ziploc so the dye chemical will stay longer on the shirt. So I have here the light color Galaxy and the dark color, I mean this one is like a daylight Galaxy. And this one looks like a nighttime Galaxy. I have no idea what I'm talking about, so we'll figure it out tomorrow. Alright guys, see you tomorrow! Alright, welcome back guys. After 24 hours, I already have here my Galaxy tie-dye shirt. So far, I'm happy with the result of my cotton candy, the red and the orange. And I'm happy also with the result of my spiral rainbow color. So this time, I have here my own version of Galaxy. I'm not sure if these two look great, but I'm still excited to see how it goes. And let's go, let's rinse it. So I'm going to start my daytime Galaxy, my own version of Galaxy. Look at that. Do you think this one looks like Galaxy? This one? I think this one looks like a spider web. Anyway, but I'm still happy with the result. Yeah, okay, let's rinse it. I think I have to rename this, not a Galaxy. Probably I should twist this in a small portion so that my color will not be that big. The orange, yellow, and red shouldn't be as big as this. But so far I'm so happy with the result. I love the color. I love how it turned out like this. And this one is my nighttime Galaxy. I hope this one will turn okay. So the color here is blue, violet, and black. Oh, look at this. So far I like it. So I have to reverse this. Alright, so here it is. Let's wash this in a dryer and we'll see what it looks like when it dry out. Alright guys, I'm gonna wash this on the washing machine and
Yesterday. I know Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday off officially.
we'll wait and see. So we're done washing this 2 Galaxy shirt. Let's gonna dry this out. So guys, this is the daytime Galaxy. So we're gonna hang this and let it dry. And then after this, I'm going to iron this shirt and I'm gonna put my signature brand here. And so far I love the color. I love the color combination. And this is my nighttime Galaxy. But it looks like a spider web. Yeah, so I love it too. And we'll see what's gonna happen after this. Alright, stay tuned guys. What's up guys? This is my finished product and I'm going to show you the first one with the orange and red and yellow Galaxy. So it seems like a typhoon aerial shot. So with my white print logo kick. So far I love the color. Yes, and same at the back and I love it. The other one is the black, blue and violet. So this one, a nighttime Galaxy. Yes, with my white logo on top of it. So far guys, I love these 2 finished product of my Galaxy tie-dye project and I hope you have an idea on how to make my own version of Galaxy. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below to get the latest update of my channel. So right guys, I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!